It is raining. New details are emerging in that deadly boat fire in Southern California. Authorities now believe that all 34 victims were trapped below deck as those flames broke out while they slept. Investigators say fire blocked both ways of escaping from their sleeping quarters there. The only survivors are believed to be the captain and 4 crew members. They were on the upper decks at the time. The bodies of 14 passengers remain missing. A 6-year-old South Carolina child was saving his money to go to Disney World. But then he had a change of heart. He took that money that he had set aside for a Disney trip to feed Hurricane Dorian evacuees that had been passing through his town.
The people that are traveling to go to other places, I wanted them to have some food to eat so they can enjoy the ride to the place that they're going to stay at.
Jermaine stood along a highway passing out hot dogs, chips, and water to nearly 100 evacuees. Disney representatives have already expressed interest in finding a way to make his Disney dream come true.
Wow.
Wonderful. That's my favorite story of the day.
Yeah, what a welcome sight. And those hot dogs look really good. So
They do. They do.
The
Very sweet of
evacuees,
him.
I'm sure, were really happy to see that.
I'm sure, especially when you're probably having to leave on shorter notice.
And hopefully he'll get what he deserves for that one.
Absolutely.
So you pay forward. So.
And there's a lot of people right now because of the hurricane. Now we're kind of figuring out where it's going to be.
Absolutely. And a new track came in, and we're going to update you on that. But first, talk about what's going on around here, because we have a hot afternoon ahead. One of the hotter days that we're going to see here for quite a while. Right now, overlooking National Harbor, we are looking at temperatures that are going to soar well into the lower 90s. Here's Skylab 7 for you, and it does show those low clouds early on, and now a good amount of sunshine out there. Talk about what's going on in Florida right now. These are our live cameras over toward Captiva, Jacksonville, Naples, and Orlando, and things are going to start to improve for Florida over the next 12 to 24 hours, especially as we move into North Florida. Daytona Beach right now looking at areas of heavy rain. Same for Jacksonville. Maximum winds at 105 miles per hour. We have gusts upwards of 125. And look at that. It's not moving at 9 miles per hour. Remember yesterday when it was hardly moving at all? So things are beginning to pick up. Here is where we expect the storm to track as we move through the next 48 hours. And most important, it could make landfall somewhere along the North Carolina coastline as we move into late tomorrow night and early Friday morning. We're going to watch it very closely for you, but the best news of all, as we move into the end of the day on Friday, this thing really jets on off toward the north and east. The impacts on the D.C. metro area may be a little bit breezy at times. Extreme southern Maryland and Delmarva more on the windy side. Here's our chances for upcoming storms, and I'll step out of the way here. We have not 1, 2, 3, but 4 systems that are out there right now, so we're going to watch these very closely for you. And the next 2 named storms will be Umberto and Imelda, so not named quite yet. Let's talk about right now. Here is Georgetown, looking good. Flags are blowing, a bunch of hot air around. Looking at Roslyn right now, plenty of sunshine, so if you are going to be out and about, dress for comfort. Temperature already 88 degrees in Leesburg. It's 84 in Winchester, 86 in Reagan National, with dew point levels that are in the lower to middle 70s, and that's why it feels so soupy and so uncomfortable out there, with feels like temperatures in the lower to middle 90s. Stormwatch 7 satellite and radar completely dry for right now. However, later on this afternoon, as that cold front advances from the west, that's going to bring us a better chance for a few showers and thunderstorms. Upper 80s and lower 90s if you're going out to lunch after school practices. It's going to be on the hot side. Temperatures in the lower to middle 90s. Here's our future cast as we move through the later afternoon hours into evening. Notice those showers and thunderstorms develop during dinner time, and most should be out of here by about 10 o'clock tonight. Waking up tomorrow morning, we're in the 60s and lower 70s. Highs tomorrow will only make it into the middle to upper 70s. 7-day outlook from Stormwatch 7 shows a beautiful weekend ahead with temperatures in the lower 80s. Back after this.
Welcome to Satva, affordable luxury mattresses made to the highest quality standards and delivered directly to your bedroom. Talk about a mattress made in heaven. And by heaven, we mean America. Exclusively on Satva.com.
Don't miss Cirque du Soleil, Volta, in Tyson's on sale now.
Who knew America's most comfortable luxury mattresses came at a price you could comfortably afford? We did. And now you do too. Find the comfort you seek at Satva.com.
Upgrade your home fast and save. Free installation from 54 on all carpet, hardwood, vinyl, and laminate. Offer ends at the end of the month, so call now. Plus save an extra $100 with promo code FLOORTIME.
Call 877-50-FLOOR. Pick up the phone, we'll be knocking at your door.
After my car accident, I didn't know I could get money for the time I missed from work.
I didn't know the insurance company would try to pay me as little as possible.
We do know. Call 1-800-LAWYERS or visit youhavealawyer.com. If you have a phone, you have a lawyer.
When people think of Roto-Rooter, they typically think plumbing and water cleaning. They wouldn't be wrong, but there's also more to the picture. We do a little of this, we do a little of that. We clean things up and we check things out.